making a rain barrel. We got one trash can up a lid. This will be for like an overflow where we're running away. And some tap-on tape. One valve, brass valve, and this is a tank fitting. I forget if it came from Menards. So I'm gonna show you how we do this real quick. Got a pair of scissors, a file. Forgot something else. Screen, a drill bit, a paddle bit, and a hot glue gun. Let's get this open. Alright, this should go right in here. If I didn't lose my tap-on tape. So, I'm probably gonna go in this part down here. Drill a hole. This is stronger. You can use any size garbage can. It's a 32 gallon. I think it's Menards. Okay, we drilled that. And I don't have a bit big enough, so I'm gonna file it out. And this just unscrews. There's a rubber washer in there. So, gonna take me a little while because I did not I don't think I'm getting any. There, made it a little bigger. Okay. Hey, just a little more. My file got it curved. It's flat, but this got a curve. It would help if I had the right bit size for this. There. Okay. Put this on the inside. You can put some sealer in here. I don't know if you can see it in there, but go like this, and tells you which way to tighten it. Let me get that going. I'm gonna have to do it like this, folks. Okay. I didn't bring a pair of pliers. Tighten it down, but yeah, as you can see, it's in there. And this is a tank fitting. It says tank fitting. So I'm gonna take this, put some nylon pipe stuff on here so this don't leak. And I dropped it. Let me cut another. I'm gonna wrap this. If I can get it started. You can buy this stuff, you just paint on. Okay. There, it's on there. Just gonna thread it in here. The faucet. I'm not sure what size this is. Oh, it's a 1/2 inch. Okay. And I got that rubber gasket around here. And I did not get this sealed right, so I'm gonna have to loosen it. Let me get this started. And I'll re-get that on there. Where are you gonna get that? Alright. There. So the water will come out. Here you can have to sit up high for gravity fed. Okay, next step. You can see it's in there. Right there. I hope. And I did not want to do that. Okay. I'm going to drill some holes. Let me get the hot glue gun fired up. This is just screen. This will keep the bugs out. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. Do one more, I guess. We'll clean up those holes a little bit. Okay. We got some holes. Gonna take the screen without the grass. Sorry, I just cut the grass. I'm gonna have a disclaimer in this video too. You gotta watch where you live. In Ohio, you can have a rain barrel. Some states you can't. Some states you need a permit. So let's see where. I'm just gonna put that screen there, and you can see it from back here. I guess I cut that a little big. Let's see. We can cut this down. Or if you want, you can double this over too. I have a problem with grass. I'm just gonna hot glue it in here. It will keep the bugs and debris out. You can also get yourself a little sub pump to pump out of here with the hose, and I have done that. I don't know if this is hot enough. Let's see. I'm waiting for it to heat up. It's getting warm. I should have turned it on earlier. It's getting there. Rain barrels are nice to water your garden and flowers, especially. We have a well, but you have to turn off the softener. And we like Arobi brands. This is the wife's hot glue gun. She uses it all the time. She likes it battery powered. Yeah, let's see if I can make this work. Hey, there we go. I'm just squirting glue in here. I don't know how well you can see it. This is hot glue. It's gonna hold our screen to keep the bugs out. And I should have put a couple other parts in here, which I guess I can finish the video. Let me cut the screen down a little, folks. Because of my hot glue. I'm just gonna tap this in here. And I'm running out of a glue stick. That's why I'm doing it this way. But we're just gonna put a dab there. and one over here will hold this, and some back here. And I'm just going to tap this down, and you get these spider web. Okay, so I'm just the glue's hot. It's not the prettiest thing, but it will work. Then I just rub my glue together to get it off my hands, because it's a little messy. We can clean this up in here, but the screen here, this will keep the dirt out, because the water's gonna go through here. And let me straighten this up, clean this up. Got glue all over. So my gutter's gonna drain into here, and the screen's gonna keep the debris. It's gonna sit like this. And you can get yourself a couple bungees just to hold this, or so the wind don't take it. Or you can set a rock in here. If you live in a windy area, you may want to put a rock down here. Then here, you could drill a hole through here, or you could get a couple bungees. And that's a rain barrel. I'm gonna put it on a stand. I'll do that next, where it's gonna be up in the air, so it will be gravity fed. And I'm not sure how much all this cost. If it was, I think it was about under $30. I forget how much this 1/2-inch one was, and that adapter. So there you go. And just get a drill bit. And once again, this is called a nylon tank fitting. It says it's TF12NBBG1, and it's a 1/2-inch. And I don't know if this came from Menards. And this is just screen from your house, which I used right there. You can see through it. And I just hot glued it, so it will stand up. There you go. Rain goes in, fills up this. You can hook up a garden hose, have this up a little bit high, and turn it on. Put your water can under here, or a garden hose. Okay, thanks for watching.